How to edit a story on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome to today's Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through how you can edit a story on Instagram even after posting it. Maybe you posted a story and you decided that you want to change something or you want to add some elements. Here is how you can do it. Now in your page, tap on your story. Below you can see several menus. Tap on the three dots with the more option. Now to edit your story, you can add mention, add people you forgot to mention. You can either go through the list or you search for it. To edit your story, you can also go through the story setting. Now in this settings, you can hide your story from certain people. You can choose who can reply to your story. You can save your story to gallery. You can archive the story. You can also share the story to Facebook. So you can see these many options available to upload for editing. However, these are the only available editing option. I hope this video helped you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get more useful content like this. See you in the next video.